In the last hour, an East Tennessee IT network announced the winner of a high-tech makeover. Big Brothers and Big Sisters of East Tennessee won $200,000 worth of IT support and server upgrades.
So how will this help the local nonprofit? Reporter Allison Bybee joins us live with the big winner. So exciting.
It is very exciting. Claris Networks decided to do this in December. They decided to have this where there were 4 nonprofits that competed for $200,000 in IT and other fixes to their big network at Big Brothers Big Sisters was the winner. We announced that last hour, but I want to show you some video first. This is what Big Brothers Big Sisters of East Tennessee looks like, their current server, their current makeup of what they have at their downtown Knoxville office. They kind of say they don't really know where all the wires go, and sometimes, you know what, it just doesn't work. Their computers don't work, their IT doesn't work, the network doesn't work, so they just go to pen and paper. Well, now all that will change. Coming back out here live, this is the call center. So from now on, when they have a problem, an issue, this is who they'll call, this is who will help them. And these guys and ladies in front of me, this is who's going to make it happen over here. This is Claris Networks, Dan and Dave, and then this is Big Brothers Big Sisters. We have Holly and Liz here, and they again just found out within the last hour. And Maura, she was talking about in the last hour of how it all worked, and they did a good job of tricking them, thinking that all of the nonprofits were here, and actually told them they got second place and then told them that they were the big winners. But a lot of great nonprofits all competed, and it all was for votes, and they ended up winning. So to hear kind of explain it to them is Dan Thompson. Tell me how this will work, kind of the technical side.
Yeah, sure. So all those problems that you talked about a minute ago, their server that doesn't work sometimes, the wiring that's kind of problematic, we basically take all that away. We make that burden go away. We'll provide all those services for them, and then the management around that as well, so that if they have a problem, they've got lots of people to call. You can see all the people behind us here, and then all just the management, the licensing, all that headache just goes away. It makes it easier. They can focus on what they do well, which is serving children in our community.
And Dave, talk about how it kind of the business aspect, or why you wanted to do this.
Well, there are a couple of things. One of our core values is to invest in the lives of others, specifically Knoxville businesses and people in the community. We also don't want to forget to mention there were 4 finalists: Emerald Youth Foundation, we had Knoxville Christian School, and then we had
Boys and Girls.
Boys and Girls Club. Thanks, Dave. So Boys and Girls Club. So they all competed. Fortunately, we had great response from everyone. We want to thank them for participating. We're so excited to give this contract to Big Brothers Big Sisters of East Tennessee. And what we want to do is just make their life better. And we're going to do that through giving them a cloud contract.
Awesome. And how do you guys like the sound of that? Make your life better and easier.
Gosh, that sounds amazing. Yes, we are so thankful.
How will this really, Liz, help you guys do what you do best?
It really will impact it will impact all of East Tennessee, actually, because the children that we are serving are going to make better decisions about their lives, and we're going to be able to serve more children in East Tennessee. This past year we served 1,059 children, and we need more volunteers, so we hope that people will come and visit us right away and sign up and be a part of Claris Networks and the others that are supporting us in this community.
Awesome. Thank you guys so much. And one thing they had said is that the money that they were going to use for their IT, well, that's going to go to a new website. So an upgrade on that there. So again, $200,000 contract, Big Brothers Big Sisters of East Tennessee, Claris Networks, making it happen, and the work, it starts today. So Abby and Moira?
Oh, good stuff. I love that. I'm so excited for them, because that's really going to help them help people
Be more efficient.
help
Definitely.
children. Yeah. Thanks, Allison.
Well, still to come this morning, our favorite things.
But first, the value of friendship in early childhood. Our parents